If 4 nails are required, the preferred order to apply nails is 1, 3, 2, 4. But 1, 2, 3, 4 is also acceptable. When the nails are placed in or above the self-sealing strip or nail guideline, we call it high nailing. High nailing can reduce the strength of the seal, resulting in lack of adhesion, which can make the roof more vulnerable to blow-offs. Follow the application instructions on each shingle wrapper to ensure proper nailing. Proper nailing is required on all Golden Pledge installations. If the deck is plywood or OSB, the nail should penetrate through the back of the deck to meet most local codes. If the deck is solid wood, then the nails should be long enough to penetrate at least 3/4 of an inch into the wood deck. Remember that there may be a number of shingle layers at the hip and ridge that may require longer nails for proper installation. Use only zinc-coated steel or aluminum 10 to 12 gauge barbed or smooth shank roofing nails with heads 3/8 to 7/16 inch in diameter. Don't use common nails since they are not designed for roofing and can rust or corrode. Nails should be driven straight so the head does not cut into the shingle. Heads should be driven flush and not sunk into the surface of the shingle. Make sure to follow the individual shingle manufacturer's nailing instructions for proper nailing location. This will help prevent moisture from getting into the roofing system and could prevent premature failure and blistering. As you go along, remember to correct any nailing errors.
High nailing is probably the #1 installation mistake made on roofing shingles. It's one of the biggest causes of blow-offs. Angled or underdriven nails are a problem too. See this angled nail? It can poke a hole in the shingle above it. And like an open door, rain will flow right through it into the building. Underdriven nails can actually worm up due to deck movement, and like an angled nail, poke through the shingles, making another hole in the roof. Be certain to take your time and install nails properly. Flat to the shingle, not angled, and in the correct location. It really just takes a couple seconds longer.